Happy morning, children. In last class, we discussed about human brain and its parts, spinal cord, nerves and its types. Is it? So today, let's learn about sense organs. The organs which connect us to the outside world are known as sense organs. There are 5 sense organs in our body, you know already. The eyes to see, the ears to hear, the nose to smell, the tongue to taste, and the skin to feel. These are the 5 sense organs. These organs connect us to the outside world. Now, let's study in detail about these sense organs in relation to brain, how they are connected with the brain through nerves. First, we'll discuss about the eyes. The eyes are the outermost important sense organ. Each eyeball is safely set in a deep bony socket and is further protected by the eyelids and the eyelashes. We know already eyeballs are safely protected inside the bony socket, that is eye socket. We discussed in last chapter itself, and they are further protected by eyelids and eyelashes. These help to keep dust and dirt outside of our eyes. So eyelashes and eyelids help us to keep away from the dust from our eyes. In the front portion of the eye, there is a circular transparent area called cornea. So here the cornea is the transparent portion of the eye. That is in our eye we can say that white part, no, that is transparent portion of the eye, that is known as cornea. The colored circle in the eye is called iris. Iris is black portion. In the transparent area at the center we can see the black part, so that is called iris. The black spot inside the iris, a dot like structure inside the iris, that is known as pupil. So this pupil enables a person to see. Light falls on the pupil and it is reflected, and it is connected through the optic nerve. A nerve which connects the eye and the brain is known as optic nerve. So through this we can see the objects. The pupil, which looks like a black spot, is an opening through which light enters the lens. A sensory nerve called optic nerve connects the eye to the brain. Okay, so already we studied about 3 kinds of nerves, is it? Sensory, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Here sensory nerves, which is known as optic nerve, it connects the eyeball to the brain. So it enables the vision. Next, let's discuss about care of the eyes. How can we take care of our eyes? We must try to avoid any kind of injury to our eyes. To avoid such kind of injuries to our eyes, we must follow these rules. First thing is, wash our eyes regularly with the clean water. Always for washing our eyes we should use clean water, and do not work in dim light or very bright light. It will affect the vision. So a person should not work in dim light or very bright light. This tires the eyes. Let the light fall from the left side of the reading material. Always when we are reading, we should make sure that the light should fall from our left side of our reading material, that is our book. Okay, next thing is, do not read in a moving vehicle. Many people used to read in a school bus, so you should avoid that. Okay, while moving vehicle, while a person reads in a moving vehicle, it causes unnecessary headaches to the person, so it should be avoided. Okay, we should not read in a moving vehicle, and also it will strain our eyes, so it should be avoided. Then always sit at least 6 feet away from the television And do not watch TV or play games on the computer for long periods. While watching TV, we should stay away from the TV at least 6 feet. We should not go very near to the TV. And while playing games in the computer also, it should not be long lasted. Okay. Then do not read while lying down. Sit erect and hold the book 1 feet away from our eyes. Always when we are reading, we should sit erect and read. Person should not lie down on the bed and read. So it is not good for our eyes. And never rub your eyes with a dirty towel or dirty hands. Okay, eyes should not be rubbed with eyes, should not be wiped with dirty towel or dirty hands. This may cause infection. Always we should use a clean cotton towel to wipe our eyes or a clean handkerchief to clear our eyes. Okay. And tell your teacher or parent if you cannot read what is written on the board. It is very important for all the students. If you are not able to see what is written on the board, immediately you should inform to your teacher. The next sense organ we are going to learn is the ears. We have a pair of ears, we know already. Our ears help us to hear sounds. There are different kinds of sounds can be heard by our ears. We have two parts of ear, that is outer ear and inner ear. Ears also enable us to keep our balance. Okay, our body balance also is maintained by ears. The outer ear help us to receive the sound, and that sound can be directed to the inner ear in the form of waves. Okay, the outer ear receives the sound and it is directed to the inner ear in the form of waves. Okay, that waves can be heard as a sound. To take care of our eyes, we should follow these rules. First thing is, we should never clean our ears with a pointed object like matchstick or a hairpin. Okay, we should not clean our ears using hairpin or matchstick. Such sharp things will damage our eardrum. If the eardrum is damaged or injured, the person is unable to hear the sounds properly. Okay, then use a dry towel to clean our ears. Always we should use dry towel, okay, not a wet one. And do not let water enter your ears. We should not allow water to enter into our ears. And go to a doctor if you have any ear related problem. Okay, immediately we should visit the doctor, ENT specialist, okay, who will diagnose and let you know what problem you have in your ears.